ensures that their pollen is transferred efficiently and effectively, often involving intricate and sometimes deceptive methods to attract their pollinators. One of the most fascinating aspects of orchid pollination is the way these plants manipulate their pollinators. Through a combination of visual cues, scents, and even tactile sensations, orchids have developed a myriad of ways to ensure their survival and reproduction. Some species, like the bee orchids of Europe, mimic the appearance and scent of female bees, attracting male bees that attempt to mate with the flower, inadvertently picking up pollen in the process. This mimicry is so convincing that the male bees are often fooled into thinking they have found a mate,